Hey guys, quick video of something I just came across. I wanted to strike up the screencast here as I saw it because it has everything to do with partnershiping and collaboration. And if you watched any of my prior videos, I do talk about, matter of fact, I went on a big rant about the idea as ambitious folks. We also tend to have a pretty healthy ego, which means that we think we can be we can be everything on the court, the point guard and the center and the forward and all, and basically like that Bugs Bunny cartoon, play pitcher and catcher, and do it all. And we can't. So I was just looking at this this model here of publishing a book, the hybrid way, which basically somebody has an agreement with Ingram, which is the world's largest distribution network, and with the hybrid way, you have control over pretty much everything, including artwork, marketing, content. You keep 90% of the ebook royalties, 50% of the net paperback royalties, and what you pay for, in this case $5K a month for Leader Press, is what you see there. You're going to get Mastermind, collaboration, and some guidance on getting your book to the market. I'm not promoting this company whatsoever. What I found interesting is an angle they put on one of their books, the Pocket Mentor. And if I'm going to create something like this, I actually want to model this myself. I highly encourage you to consider it. It's blaring right at you in the title, Mastermind included. So the Pocket Mentor is, actually I was already there, one sec here. Well, let me bring that up. So as you know, on most Amazon books, you can click on the image and it will bring up a overview of, or some sampling of the book. In the book, you will see that after, and it will look better if you have a full browser. It looks really skinny right now. You will see right there, can't wait to get started. Go to I'm not going to even try to pronounce that, Nuridine.com, and submit your order. Well, I did try to pronounce that. I think I did well. Submit your order number to receive a quick start guide. This is a great way to, what I'm trying to show you here is to go online to online, or offline in this case, if you get the physical book, to online. And the book basically says, hey, go to this web address, The Entrepreneur's Guide to Building the Lasting Business from Scratch, and then you put in your name, email, order number, Amazon order number, and you're going to get the quick start guide that's an addendum to the book and a community. I'm not sure if it's Facebook or not. Probably is. But anyway, just an example of how to include your domain with a nonfiction book where you are the teacher, the coach, the thought leader, if you want to use that term. It's a term I really don't like throwing around, but people get what it means, so I use it. So you get a sense of what the content is, but most importantly, the publisher is helping this author collect the leads of the purchasers of his book, which is a great thing. And I think this is something to model or put a twist on. All right, over and out. Oh, hey, before you go, one more thing. If you have not got on my Weekend What's newsletter, I promise to deliver bite-sized chunks of information on a broad spectrum of things for you to consider. These are resources, contacts, programs, and ideas and opportunities that I come across on a weekly basis. I handpick and deliver them on a silver platter via email once every Saturday morning, sometimes on a Friday night, but they are things that you can consider looking into when you have time on the weekend, which is why it's called Weekend What's. So there's my Weekend What's resource roundup, and below that you'll see a sampling of how it's delivered. Look forward to seeing you in email land very soon.